What's the best thing about Lillydale? Hey, excuse me. Quiet! Phew! Now that I have your attention, what are you enjoying most about your stay at Lillydale? Oh my goodness. All right, quiet! Thank you. Now, one at a time. You first.
I like chickens and collecting the eggs too. I found eggs! Woo!
I just love the accommodation. Everything you need is right here, and it's just so relaxing.
I love the horse riding. It's the best.
Believe it or not, I thought milking the cows was the best.
We love all the baby animals.
I think Doug and Pam are the most welcoming hosts. It's a home away from home.
Sounds like it's all pretty good. Oh dear, there's so much to see and do at Lillydale. You'll just have to agree to disagree.